Okay.
Oh.
Guys, let's go.
I like your belly button.
Get all the help on me.
There you go.
This is so really exciting.
Is that why Leo touches all
Huh?
that? Is that why Leo touches his belly button?
Back at 238 again.
There you
Now,
go.
I know what you're thinking. What if it's a cleaner who wants to buy glycol?
Ben,
Oh
stop!
yeah, this is all trash.
This
I
is
thought I
so
had like
boring.
an invoice.
It's like listening to a TED Talk on a cover page.
Look, I know this idea.
So, any success with those cells?
It'll
No.
make you a lot of money.
I'm just gonna return them, but I'm gonna sell other stuff. I think because nobody really wants to buy new things because they're expensive.
Dull?
Here, thanks.